In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to N8N, a versatile workflow automation tool that can streamline your processes with ease. Whether you're looking to trigger actions from a webhook, a manual input, or a schedule node, this video will walk you through the steps to make it happen seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to set up a trigger within N8N. Depending on your specific needs, this could be a webhook, a manual trigger, or you might schedule it at certain times. Webhooks are excellent for automated triggers when a specific event occurs, while manual nodes are great when you want to trigger actions on demand. Schedule nodes, on the other hand, are perfect for recurring actions at predetermined intervals. Select the one that suits your use case. Now, let's dive into adding the Monday.com node to your workflow. This node is your link to the Monday.com platform, where you'll be able to perform a variety of operations. In your N8N interface, locate and add the Monday.com node to the canvas. This is a crucial step because it indicates where N8N is supposed to interact with Monday.com. Once you've got your node in place, you'll need to select your credentials. This is where you authenticate N8N's access to your Monday.com account. You can use an API key or OAuth2 for this authentication. An API key is a straightforward option if you are managing this by yourself, but if you're dealing with team workflows, OAuth2 provides a more secure and scalable solution by allowing users to authenticate without exposing their credentials. With your credentials in place, you can now choose the operation you'd like to initiate. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's say we want to create an item. This is a common choice for many users, as it allows you to seamlessly integrate new data from N8N into your Monday.com boards. Next, you're going to configure the details of your operation. This involves specifying the board ID and group ID where you want your item to be created in Monday.com. Make sure you have these IDs handy, as they are required for N8N to point to the right location. Additionally, you can set column values here, which are helpful for defining specific attributes of the item you're creating. For example, you might want to set specific details like task name, priority, or due date based on your requirements. Before we wrap things up, it's essential to run a quick test to confirm everything is set up correctly. Execute the node and check Monday.com to ensure the item appears as expected. This verification step ensures that your integration is working smoothly and you're ready to automate your workflows efficiently. And there you have it. By connecting Monday.com to N8N, you're now capable of automating tasks with precision and simplicity. Don't hesitate to explore more operations and nodes within N8N to further optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy automating.